Good morning everyone. Today myself Payal Gupta and we are going to study few topics of the first chapter of class 11th, and the chapter is some basic concept of matter. So our first topic is matter. Now by a simple definition, the matter can be explained as anything that occupies space, have some volume and perceived by the sense organs. Now the classification of matter is very important aspect of the chemistry. So let's start with. Matter can be divided into three parts, that is solid, liquid and gas. This classification is based on the physical appearance. Now if we go for the chemical nature of the matter, it can be divided into another segments. Matter as a pure substance, and impure substance. Now this pure substance can be further divided into elements and compounds. We have 114 elements and several compounds. Now if you talk about impure substance, we have mixtures. These are divided into two categories, that is homogeneous and heterogeneous. The very basic difference between elements and compound is that element is made up of only single type of atom, whether compounds are made up of two or more than two type of atoms. Now I am going to explain this with a few examples. Elements. Example: hydrogen. So the hydrogen contains two atoms of hydrogen atom. Oxygen, it contains two atoms of oxygen. So means that the atoms are of same type, two hydrogen and two oxygen. Suppose you have ozone, then it contains 3 atoms of oxygen. So these all are elements. Now molecules. Now we have compounds. For example, if we have water, now it contains 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So this is known as compound. 2 different type of atoms are combined together. Another example is carbon dioxide gas. It contains 1 carbon atom and 2 oxygen atom. if we further go in detail that what is the difference between atom and molecule, because it is the most confusing topic that what is the difference between. If we talk in the term of definition, atoms are the simplest particle which cannot take part as an individual atom, but they can take part in any reaction. For example, if you have nitrogen atom, this single atom represents N. This will take part in reaction, but it can always exist as N2 molecule. Hydrogen atom means single H, but it exists as H2 molecule. Now there are two molecules, nitrogen and hydrogen. We have other molecules also, carbon dioxide, water, HCl, sulfur dioxide. So these all are molecules of compound. But hydrogen and nitrogen are molecules of element. So these all are molecules, and single N and single H are atoms. So let's summarize that what we have read today. We have read that the basic thing, basic substance of everything is matter, and it is divided into certain categories. Like we have divided it in pure substance and impure substance. Then pure substance is further divided into elements and compounds. Impure substances are further divided into mixtures that are further divided into homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Now when we divided pure substance into element and compound, they are further atoms and molecules. So we have read till this term. Now please tell me that how you rate my lecture, how you experienced it, whether it is good for you or not, or what is the fault in that, or if you like it very much, whatever. Now you can write that in comment box of the channel. Thank you for watching my lecture. Now in next lecture we are going to study few more topics that are related to it, that is significant figure, scientific notation, and few